Counting adventure, fun with numbers. Hi there, friends. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Today we're going to meet some amazing friends who just happen to be numbers. And guess what? They love to count. So get your fingers ready and let's count together. Look who's here. It's number 1, and he's a giraffe.
Hello, little explorers. I'm number 1 because I'm the only one with such a long neck. Can you stretch your neck like me? I'm always the first in line because I'm number 1. Did you know that being number 1 means being the best at something? Well, I'm the best at reaching high leaves on trees. I can see far and wide from up here. When you're counting, I'm the first number you say. Let's all count together and hold up one finger. Are you ready? Great. 1. Thanks for counting with me. You did an amazing job. Remember, whenever you see one giraffe like me, you're seeing the number 1.
Great job. Let's all hold up one finger and say 1. Thank you, number 1. Let's see who's next. Oh, here comes number 2, and it's a bee.
Buzzes. Hi, friends. I'm number 2, and I've got 2 little wings to help me fly. Buzz, buzz. I love flying around and collecting nectar from flowers. Did you know that bees always work in pairs? That's why I'm number 2. I've got 2 antennas that help me find the best flowers and 2 eyes to see all around. Let's count my wings together. Ready? 1, 2. Great job. I also make delicious honey with the help of my bee friends. Whenever you see 2 bees buzzing together, remember the number 2. Now, can you hold up 2 fingers? Buzz, buzz, you did it. I'm off to make some more honey. Thanks for counting with me.
Thanks, number 2. Now, can you hold up 2 fingers? 1, 2, let's count together. 1, 2, okay. Let's fly on to our next friend. Whoa, here comes number 3, and it's a dinosaur.
Hi there, I'm number 3, and I've got 3 big spots on my back. 1, 2, 3. I love stomping around and playing with my dinosaur friends. Do you want to stomp with me? Let's stomp 3 times together. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Roar! That was fun. Dinosaurs like me lived a long time ago, and I bet if you saw 3 dinosaurs, you'd think of me. Number 3. I also have 3 sharp claws on each hand to help me grab yummy leaves. Can you hold up 3 fingers and count with me? 1, 2, 3. Great job, little adventurers. Thanks for helping me count. Keep counting, and I'll see you again soon.
Can you hold up 3 fingers and count the spots with me? 1, 2, 3.
Roartastic. I love counting my spots. Thanks for helping me, friends.
Look who's glowing. It's number 4, and it's a candle.
Hello, friends. I'm number 4. I have 4 bright flames to light up the night. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love lighting up birthday cakes, and sometimes I'm part of a lantern festival where people carry me around to brighten up the dark. Let's count my birthday gifts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You did it. Can you hold up 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Whenever you see 4 candles shining on a cake, think of me. I'll keep shining brightly to help you see. Thanks for counting with me.
Let's all hold up 4 fingers and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, everyone. Now, who's next? Yum, it's number 5, and it's a watermelon.
Hi, friends. I've got 5 sisters in the garden. Can you help me count them? I love being juicy and sweet, and I'm the best snack on a hot day. Let's count my siblings together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're amazing counters. Did you know that watermelons like me grow on vines? Sometimes you can even see 5 watermelons growing together. Let's hold up 5 fingers and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did it. Thanks for counting with me. Remember, whenever you see number 5, think of me. Number 5, bye-bye.
Sure thing, number 5. There are 5 butterflies in the garden. Let's hold up 5 fingers and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find our last number. Look, it's number 6, and it's a monkey.
Ooh. Hi, everyone. I'm number 6, and I have 6 bananas. Can you help me count them? I love swinging from tree to tree and finding tasty bananas. Let's count my bananas together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was fun. Did you know monkeys like me love to hang out in groups? Sometimes there are 6 monkeys playing together. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job. Thanks for counting with me. I hope you had fun swinging along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, you did it. Thanks for counting my bananas.
Great job, everyone! You met all the numbers and counted so well. Let's count from 1 to 6 one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome! Thanks for counting with us today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Don't forget to keep practicing your numbers. Bye!